Smaller, softer, mightier. Meet the Epomaker Lite, a budget-friendly 60% compact wireless mechanical keyboard that adopts an innovative shallow gasket mount design. Generally, the core concept of Gasket Design is to provide a soft typing feeling and raindrop-like typing sounds by avoiding direct contact between the plate and other keyboard components. That's why many traditional gasket keyboards add some small pieces of gaskets on the edges inside the keyboards. However, the traditional design usually has to leave the center lacking support, resulting in an inconsistent sound and typing feel when you are typing hard. Unlike the conventional way, the Epomaker Lite creatively utilizes an all-new shallow gasket pad inserted in between the plate and the PCB board. This revolutionary shallow pad is meticulously made of lightweight liquid silicone to precisely match the switches. It effectively absorbs the shock of each keystroke, providing a stable yet soft foundation for the keyboard, while saving your time of adding pour-on foams or switch films. The FR4 plate flexes to generate a unique, gentle resonance and elastic fingertip tactility. Meanwhile, the CNC aluminum case and sound-dampening foam further soften the sounds. The Lite is compatible with GH60 structure, allowing you to change the plate to unlock different typing feelings and sounds. What's even better? The Epomaker Lite is hot swappable. You can easily swap or upgrade the switches without any soldering to pursue your own customized fingertip experiences. The Epomaker Lite is compact, yet mighty. While allowing you to access the arrow keys and F rows in such a compact form factor, you can always remap the layout, create your own macros, and customize the RGB backlit by using exclusive software. With its built-in wireless Bluetooth 5.1 chip, the Lite offers a stable wireless connection. You can pair it with up to 3 devices and still connect it with a device using a wired connection. Seamlessly switch among the 4 devices to build your intuitive multitasking workflow now. No matter you are using Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, we've got you covered. Epomaker Lite. Hear the raindrop dripping on your desk.